We're going a little bit different this time, and we picked up a Reddit thread from a graduate that will be graduating in 2027. They were asking for some thoughts on PwC, saying that end-to-end full AI-driven audits are coming by 2026. So they are wondering, is there any point in even going down this route if the job is not even going to be there? The internet has not taken that quietly, and the loudest reaction from some of the auditors on the trail was basically that this is marketing and not reality. People in the trenches are saying AI struggles to even summarize a document without making up numbers, never mind a FTSE 100 company. Partners see AI as a way to cut juniors offshore work and keep fees higher. But if a bot does the heavy lifting, then clients will probably ask, why am I paying the big four prices for software? But regulators still expect a human to stand behind that opinion because AI can't go to jail. So some of the sharper comments, which I was reading to Ryan just before we started, they hit deep. If you automate all the grunt work, where do the generation of seniors and partners learn judgment? You don't get seasoned auditors by skipping the boring bits. But on the other side, there were people that were saying that pattern detection that happens on millions of rows and consistent checks and exception spotting is quite good if you have a technology that's supposed to do that. And that's exactly what some people point out on the trail, is that it is an evolution. And if you think back to when Excel first launched, or the computer, they thought that the profession was going to be sucked into a black hole. Then cloud came, and it was the same thing. The accountants are dying. We've heard this so many times, but actually it never happened. All it's done is helped you make a more interesting career out of something that was quite a boring function.
I'd like that you asked our listeners to think back to when the computer came out. I don't think I'm old enough when that came out. It won't kill off audits the function, and it won't, as you say, kill off humans partaking in that audit function either. And I think you made a really valid point then. We're not saying it's just AI. We're just saying that AI is involved in every step. That's critical, because if we go back to what a lot of the big four have been pushing for AI, is that we're going to get rid of the junior level. Actually, that just kills the entire pipeline of people coming through and learning. So you don't want to remove the junior level. You want to remove people at every level in a balanced way, readdressing the balance between software costs and human costs inside the business. But you've still got that good balance of pathway for people that can progress through. And I think that is critical, and something that has been the wrong fear mongering over the last half a year to a year, where people have gone that entire bottom level because it's mundane task and just go, that doesn't make any sense.